13 herbs to make your liver like new. Despite being one of the most common liver diseases, fatty liver disease generally doesn't worry most people, as it is often asymptomatic and doesn't cause immediate symptoms. However, this condition can severely damage your liver in the medium to long term, potentially leading to cirrhosis and contributing to other unrelated diseases such as high blood pressure, obesity, heart disease, and even diabetes. Alarmingly, it is estimated that over a quarter of the population has fatty liver disease, with many unaware of it. But don't worry, because fatty liver can be reversed by making certain dietary changes. Additionally, there are specific herbs that can detoxify your body and rejuvenate your liver. Stay with us as we explain how and why you develop fatty liver, the best herbs to treat it, and what can happen if you don't take care of yourself in time. Stay until the end, as the last herb is the most important and little known. Let's get started. Fatty liver, a global issue. Fatty liver affects about 25% of the world's population. It's not just a concern in the United States but globally, as fatty liver increasingly becomes a common factor in other diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Moreover, around 2 million people worldwide die each year from this liver disease. Fortunately, we have several ways to treat fatty liver, the most common being medication, immunotherapy, lifestyle changes, and nutritional therapy. Surgical options and even liver transplants are available for more severe cases. Besides these treatments, there are also alternative therapies you can turn to, such as herbal supplements or the herbs themselves, as we will see below. What causes fatty liver? Various factors contribute to the accumulation of fat around the liver, and while the main cause is excessive alcohol and calorie consumption, being overweight and obese, having high levels of glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol in the blood, high blood pressure, and a high-fat diet also play significant roles. Additionally, some people are more susceptible to fat accumulation in the liver due to genetic predisposition, and certain medications can also increase fat buildup in this organ. What happens to your body when you have fatty liver? Your liver can eliminate all harmful substances that enter your body, whether from food, the environment, or those produced within the body due to various chemical reactions. But that's not all. The liver is also key in producing substances that aid in digestion and others that ensure proper blood clotting, maintain stable blood pressure, and perform many other functions. Due to all this, when the liver starts to fail because of fat accumulation, its cells begin to get damaged and inflamed until they reach a point where they die and form scar tissue. When these scars accumulate too much, various health problems arise, known as liver cirrhosis. What happens if you don't treat or make changes? Most people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease don't die from it, but from a related disease, such as cardiovascular disease, which is quite natural considering that fatty liver is associated with high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol, all of which are major precursors to serious heart disease. On the other hand, some people can develop advanced liver disease and die from it, such as cirrhosis and, in more severe cases, liver cancer. For people who developed fatty liver due to alcohol, they don't always have the problems related to non-alcoholic patients, like hypertension and diabetes. However, they are more prone to developing serious diseases like cirrhosis, liver cancer, and advanced liver disease. The 13 best herbs for your liver. These are the 13 scientifically proven herbs that will help cleanse and maintain your liver in good condition. Number 1. Mint. Mint is widely recognized for its beneficial properties for the liver and digestive system. With a refreshing taste and pleasant aroma, mint is rich in bioactive compounds such as menthol and flavonoids, which give the herb its therapeutic properties. Mint promotes bile production, an essential fluid for fat digestion and the elimination of liver toxins. This increased bile production facilitates digestion and improves the liver's efficiency in detoxifying the body. Additionally, mint has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Regular consumption of mint can relieve symptoms of indigestion, nausea, and intestinal cramps, making it an excellent ally for digestive health. Mint can be consumed in various forms, including teas, infusions, essential oils, and as a seasoning in various dishes. Number 2. Turmeric. This herbaceous plant native to India contains a compound called curcumin, which has been found in several studies to provide many health benefits thanks to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties, which are very beneficial for people suffering from liver damage or fatty liver. In one such study, it was found that when people with fatty liver took 500 milligrams of curcumin supplement for 2 consecutive months, they significantly reduced the fat content around the liver compared to those who didn't take it. Additionally, it was observed that including piperine in curcumin supplementation improved results, as piperine, obtained from black pepper, greatly enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body. Unlike green tea, turmeric and curcumin are considered generally safe substances, although some people who took contaminated curcumin supplements reported some liver damage. Anyway, talk to your doctor before taking any dietary supplement. Number 3. Green tea. Okay, it's not exactly an herb, but green tea contains a very potent compound known as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown in numerous studies to help treat fatty liver and other related liver diseases. In one study, for example, it was found that supplementation with 500 milligrams of green tea extract daily for 90 days greatly reduced liver damage and inflammation, as well as the amount of fat in the liver. Regular consumption of green tea helps protect the liver from various diseases such as cirrhosis, liver cancer, hepatitis, and chronic liver disease. However, before you start drinking green tea every day, it is important to talk to your doctor so they can analyze the potential risks for your personal case, as some people reported suffering from acute liver injuries after taking green tea extract supplements. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is a popular ingredient that, in addition to giving a strong and delicious flavor to your food, contains compounds that help treat various diseases, including liver diseases. Of the studies conducted with ginger, 2 stand out. One in which 1,500 milligrams of ginger powder were administered daily for 12 weeks, and another in which 2 grams of ginger root were consumed daily for the same time. At the end of both studies, markers of inflammation in the body, as well as levels of cholesterol and blood sugar, along with fat accumulation in the liver, were considerably reduced compared to control groups that took nothing. The compounds mainly responsible for these liver protective benefits are believed to be gingerols and shogales, known to inhibit inflammation and protect cells from any damage. Additionally, it is also known that ginger can protect the liver from toxins from alcohol. Finally, ginger consumption is considered quite safe, even in people with liver diseases. However, some ginger products with very high doses may cause side effects. Number 5. Boldo. Boldo is an herb known for its beneficial properties for the liver and digestive system. Native to South America, Boldo has traditionally been used to treat liver and digestive problems due to the presence of active compounds like boldine and alkaloids. Boldine is particularly effective in stimulating bile production, essential for fat digestion and the elimination of toxins from the body. Additionally, Boldo has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Boldo can be consumed through infusions, teas, or supplements, and it is important to follow the recommended dosages to avoid side effects such as gastrointestinal irritation. It is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting regular use of Boldo, especially for people with pre-existing medical conditions or those taking other medications. Number 6. Asian red sage. Asian red sage, also known as Danshen or Chinese sage, is a highly valued plant in traditional Chinese medicine for its roots, which are dried and can be very beneficial for liver health. In some animal studies, it was found that Asian sage can protect your liver from alcohol-induced liver disease, promote natural cell regeneration of this organ, and control its scarring when combined with other herbs, like the ones we have in this video. Number 7. Ginkgo Biloba. This herbal supplement has been very popular worldwide for several years, especially to increase energy naturally, although it is also known to help the liver detoxify the body. Studies conducted with rodents found that Ginkgo Biloba injections significantly reduce liver fibrosis, which is the scarring process of dead cells in the liver, and greatly improve liver function. Despite Ginkgo Biloba being associated with some side effects, none of them cause liver injuries. Number 8. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a plant that gets its name from the white veins on its large, spiny leaves. From this plant, or more precisely from its seeds, an active ingredient known as silymarin is extracted, which contains various antioxidant properties beneficial for diabetes, digestion, and liver health. It has been observed that silymarin's antioxidant properties can reduce liver inflammation and promote the regeneration of liver cells. However, more studies are needed to confirm these benefits. Other research conducted with silymarin supplements found that it can prevent the progression of liver disease, improve quality of life, and even prolong the life of people with alcoholic cirrhosis. Importantly, silymarin does not cause side effects in people, even when taken in very high doses. Number 9. Astragalus. Astragalus is another edible herb mainly used in traditional Chinese medicine for its powerful therapeutic qualities, thanks to its high content of beneficial compounds like flavonoids, saponins, and polysaccharides. These compounds have been shown to protect your liver from fibrosis and clear it of fats from an unbalanced diet. These effects are enhanced when used in conjunction with other liver-friendly herbs. However, while astragalus consumption is considered free of liver damage, it can interact with some medications. Therefore, consult your doctor before including this herb in your daily diet. Number 10. Licorice. Licorice is not just a common ingredient in some chewy candies, but also an incredible herb with powerful medicinal properties, including a liver-protective and detoxifying effect, according to a large number of scientific studies. It's no wonder that licorice has been used for hundreds of years in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine to treat liver diseases, among others. Results can be achieved with just 2 grams of licorice root extract daily for 2 months, thanks to its main compound known as glycyrrhizin, although more studies are still needed to fully confirm it. Additionally, it should be considered that some people are very sensitive to licorice, and prolonged use of this herb can cause dangerous side effects like low potassium levels in the blood and high blood pressure. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic contains potent plant compounds that give it anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, such as allicin and agenin, which give garlic the ability to keep your liver in good condition. According to a study conducted with 98 people with fatty liver, those who took 800 milligrams of garlic powder daily for 15 weeks greatly reduced their levels of triglycerides, bad cholesterol, and other common factors in people with liver damage. Additionally, people in this study also saw a reduction of just over half the amount of fat around the liver, demonstrating the detoxifying qualities of garlic. Because of this, it's not surprising to know that people who eat garlic have a 29% lower chance of developing fatty liver and up to a 23% lower chance of developing liver cancer. All these benefits were achieved by eating raw garlic, and while consuming garlic this way is completely safe, this does not apply to concentrated garlic supplements. Number 12. Ginseng. Ginseng is another very popular herbal supplement worldwide, which has great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have been shown to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins, viruses, and alcohol, as well as boost liver cell regeneration after surgery. If that wasn't enough, studies conducted in humans found that consuming ginseng improved the condition of people suffering from liver disease or reduced liver function, with doses ranging from 3 grams of ginseng per day for 12 consecutive weeks. Number 13. Dandelion. Dandelion is an herb highly valued for its beneficial properties for the liver and digestive system. Commonly found in various parts of the world, the plant is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. The dandelion root is particularly effective in promoting liver health due to its ability to stimulate bile production, an essential fluid for fat digestion and toxin elimination from the body. The increased bile production facilitates the liver detoxification process, helping to cleanse the blood and improve digestion. Additionally, dandelion has diuretic properties, which aid in eliminating excess fluids and toxins through urine, contributing to a healthier liver. The herb can be consumed as tea, tincture, or capsules. Young dandelion leaves can also be added to salads and other dishes. However, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting regular use, especially for people with medical conditions or those taking other medications, to avoid adverse interactions and ensure safe and effective use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.